home, dream girls. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, I am Black Man's Dream, and this is a Black Man's Dream fashion. So listen, guys, anything that you would like to see and anything that you disapprove of, make sure you leave a comment down below. All right, you guys, so I got a special treat. Pop, 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 pop. I got a special treat for you. A special surprise for you guys. It's a special surprise for me too. I want to share it with you guys, and I ain't finna get no long, drawn out speech. I just want to come on and show you guys this something new that I'm doing, and I thought that you guys would be interested. Put it like that. Avon. Yes, I know a lot of you guys probably wear Avon. Avon is a well-respected brand that people have been wearing for years. They're right now at over 100, or is it 100-year anniversary. I just started up, and I decided that I wanted to get back into selling Avon because I have a fashion channel now, and I want to go ahead and see if you guys will want it for me, being that a lot of people like Avon, to try out different things, and then you guys can go ahead and purchase it off of my website, my link on my setup Avon account. And the stuff will be shipped straight from Avon. You will pay directly to Avon, and Avon will ship it out to you. It's just like an affiliate thing. It's just that I will be trying my stuff on. I will be doing a whole lot of more things than the Avon reps naturally do. I will be trying it on, showing you how to wear it, telling you the truth, telling you the ins and the outs. So let me know in the comment section if this is something you guys will be interested in. But I am finna do an unboxing. This is my starter kit, and we finna start together. How about that? All right, so let's cut on into this box. I'm trying to hold it up high so that you guys can see as I open it, and y'all can be on this journey with me. Y'all can say we started together. All right, so this is a family affair. A Black Man's Dream is getting into selling Avon with you guys, and let's get into this box and see what they sent me. And y'all can be on this journey with me together. So this is how the packaging comes. Because also, if you guys want to be a rep, you can rep under me, and we can rep this thing together, and we can, we can just move forward. But right now, if you guys just want to purchase some things and see how things are, you can buy through me, and you can also be a sales rep. So this is how the starter kit starts. This is what they sent me. This is a welcome card to the Avon family. This is a welcome card to the Avon family. It comes in Spanish, in English. What side would they put Creole? Maybe they need to just make it two on one side. Anyway, then they have it well wrapped so nothing get damaged. And this is the bubble wrap, and they put their little logo piece of paper over it. That's cute. Yes, ma'am. Avon. So anyway, this is what they sent me. I ordered the day to night kit. So this is what my kit has inside of it. I can change my makeup and stuff like that and wipe it off, and all of the stuff that's in here. I believe that's the one I got so that I can easily wipe off. Let me take this off my head, I'm messing up the whole aesthetics, okay? So anyway, this is the kit that I have. They have 3 different ones, and I believe the one that I got was the one so that I can take off my makeup. So this is the first thing, the makeup setting spray. Ooh, this is a setting spray from Avon. And let me know if you guys want me to do a review, because that's what I have planned. But if y'all don't want me to do it, I won't do it, okay? But this is a setting spray. I can't do it right. Oh, yes, I can. Let me see, because I have on makeup and I did not set it. So I'm going to go ahead, set it, and forget it. I'm going to use this. This is the bottle, Avon True Color Makeup Setting Spray Vape. All right, so I'm going to use this. This is right on time because I did not have any setting spray. And we're going to see how this thing works together. All right, and if y'all wondering about my hair, my wig is for $25, and it's the mummy wig. Yes, the mummy wig. That's right. It usually come in like finger waves, but I shaved it up. If y'all want me to do a review or let y'all know how I did this, I'll let y'all know, because y'all don't seem to like my wig review, so I ain't put no more. And then The lashes is from, I'll link it down below. Or I'll put it in the video because I can't think of the name right now. I think it's perfect mink. And I'll let you guys know where I got it from. Oh, I'm opening the stuff I didn't even show y'all. Okay, so this is Glimmer Kiss lipstick. So this is another thing I probably can try on right now. Look at this. Ooh, let me put it on right over this black. This is how it looks. This is how the bottle looks. And I'm gonna try it on right now over this black. So we're gonna do a little try on. Ooh, that okay. It changes my aesthetics, but it's cute. I like that. That's pretty. So as we sitting here talking, we'll see how it evolves. All right. So let's move on. The next thing that they sent was this primer. I can't put this one on. This is a little too late. Okay, so this is the primer that I will start to put up under my makeup. And I'll let you guys know because I don't have any more primer also. So that was right on time. I picked the perfect box. See, pick the box according to your lifestyle. I picked this one because I know I wear makeup and I don't have any of this stuff. So yeah. And this is the next thing that they sent me right here. And I don't know what it is because I can't see it on the label. This is this is a mascara. This box was perfect for me. I have no more mascara. Okay, so this also they sent me was a black liquid liner. Black liquid liner. Yeah, it is in black. And then they also sent me was this glimmer shadow. Let's see the shadow, y'all. I could probably slide some of that on. But then again, I'm supposed to be leaving out the door. Y'all gonna make me look busted leaving. Oh, I can't put this on. But this is how it looks. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. It is a pink liquid shadow. That is really cute. And it's like a pinkish purple color. Really cute. So the next thing that I got was a blush. It says Be Blushed. I can't put this on, but I'll show you guys how it looks outside of the packaging. But hey, Avon is doing their little thing. I used to sell for Avon years ago, and I was real good because I used to do just like I'm doing, but I did it at work, right? I used to wear the stuff and go to work, and people used to like it, and it was buying, but I had a problem because back then I was young. So I used to spend the money and then give it to them, and then I had to drop out of the program, you know? So now I'm starting fresh. I'm older and wiser. So anyway, this is the next thing. It comes in a black tube, and this is, again, this is a blush. And this is how it looks. You just rub it on your cheeks and you just blend it in. That is more like a wet blush. They have powder blushes also. Okay, so this is a lip cream. I already put something on, so don't even ask, okay? But I'm going to show you how to look out of the package. How about that? How about that? Okay, so this is, you know, I don't know. This is perfect for me. Even that blush, it matches my skin tone. Everything so far matches me. All right, so this is the Cashmere Liquid Cream. Yes, Cashmere Liquid Cream. How about that? So we're going to go ahead and take it out of packaging and see how it look. I love the sleek black packaging. Let me just stop and take note of that. It looks so elegant and sleek. You pull this up out of your purse, you're looking like pure elegance with their makeup, okay? And then it has a button here. If you guys take a look at that, it has a button, which I'm assuming you will put. It's a push button and then you twist. Push and twist. Push and twist. Let's get down and see. I told you! In my baby voice. My grandson always say that. But look at that. Look at that. That is bad. That is nice. That go right with what I got on now. I'm gonna have to clean my lips and put this on before I leave out the door. That's so cute. I like that. I'm gonna just put it on my hand and let y'all see. How about that? I'm gonna hook y'all up. I know from using them before and they makeup, and if you guys have used Avon, y'all know they makeup lipstick is good. This look like a black makeup line. I ain't lying. All right, so the next thing is, I showed y'all the liquid liner. Okay, so just in case I did, I'm gonna show this to you again. This is the eyeliner. It's a liquid eyeliner, and then they also gave me a pencil eyeliner, so I can do the lower lash line with this, and then I can do the liner on my upper lid on it. And it also looked out with the chapstick. Ain't no sense of getting no lipstick and putting it on if you ain't got no chapsticks, right? Avon, boy, Avon is right on time. Right on time. That's what I'm saying. You can't put no lipstick on until you hydrate them, because then the lipstick gonna get chalky and look all crazy. So anyway, guys, the last thing that they give you is books. So I have a couple of books in the box, 5 to be exact, for the campaign that I'm in. And I did sell before, and I want you guys to know, if you buy something from me and it's on sale and it was in the last campaign, I still can go back to the last campaign and give you that price, okay? So, but that would have to be like me giving a sale or something, not automatically that I have to give it to you. You know, we go by the campaign that you're in, but they give you that kind of leeway. So like me being the business owner, if I'm doing like a special promotion and I want to give y'all a sale, I can go back and give you that price even if it has gone up, okay? All right, so we see eye to eye, all right? So, and this is another book that they gave. And this book is normally the book that has clothes, shoes, household stuff and things like that. So this is the campaign that they're in now. I will flash through the book right quick and let you guys get kind of like a little bit of an idea, not to go deep into it, but just to give y'all an overview. So this one has makeup in it. It's starting to make me look like a liar, okay? So they don't switch the game up. But anyway, we still getting to see how it is. All right? So it has a lot of different makeup products. And so they switched it from the smaller book and they put it in the bigger book. Because this book usually only have clothes and household products. Oh, they even have pads now. Girl, please shut your mouth. So anyway, if y'all want me, okay, here go the shoes and stuff like that. So anyway, when you go on my website, you will be able to see everything that's in the book. I am also going to pick out things that I know that you guys would absolutely like highlighted items that I think that you guys would really want to see. I will be doing videos on that and showing it all, just like how I do the rainbow reviews. That is what I had in mind. Let me know, guys, if those are the type of videos would you like to see. Also, always, you can go on the website and you can look at the book that in the campaign that we're in, and you can request that I do. You can come and you can message me on Instagram, and I'll put the name here, Black Man's Dream Fashion. You can go on Instagram, and you can always leave comments in the videos down below and let me know what it is that you would like to see from Avon. And let me know, guys,